So this is a standard LAN cable making guide, VGA or patch cable. First, carefully strip the cable's outer jacket. Then untwist and arrange the internal wires following the T568B standard. Next, perform the thinning process by applying a thin layer of melt solder to the tips of the exposed wires. Six, finally plug both ends into cable tester and ensure all indicators like illuminate sequentially. You can also use the USB cable to make a VGA cable, and you can connect a computer to another one. In this part, I'm gonna use the LAN cable to connect a two computers. We're gonna make one of them is a client and a server. So I'm gonna use my laptop, the allo key to become the server. So by turning on the SMPP console and then go to control panel, the Ethernet and properties, gonna make the CPU IPv4. As you can see, that's my settings. And by checking my computer, the server one, to test, so I have this file folder's name toko_berkah. So in the client one, I'm gonna control panel, network, Ethernet, and properties, IPv4, and this is my settings properties. Now I'm gonna test it to the client computer one. I'm gonna type the server IP, the folder name, and the client computer can access to my folder just by using the RJ45 cable. So this is the result.